Now, the latest installment of our news segment, What Were They Thinking? A writer for Vanity Fair kicked off a federal jury in a murder-for-hire trial this week after the court discovered her tweets about the, quote, hot FBI agent in the case. A series of posts, Delia Kai, the writer, didn't seem to be taking her civic duty as seriously as the court would have liked when she posted, "Didn't get to see the eclipse because I'm on a federal jury, but I did get to look at a hot FBI agent." And in case that wasn't enough for the court to question whether she was focused enough on the murder case, she followed it up with, "We're literally not allowed to talk to each other outside the courtroom. If I say hi, he legally has to ignore me. Don't they know this is how I fall in love?" It also apparently gets you kicked off the jury. Was that really necessary legally? Now, initially, after being excused, she seemed contrite, telling the Daily News, "I've never served on jury duty before. I never interacted with the criminal justice system. I think I went in pretty naively. It was not my intention to make light of something as serious as a murder trial." Now, I know what all the non-lawyers are asking. How hot was he? I've not seen him before, but this is apparently something like what he looks like.
Exhibit A.
No, that's Jesse Weber. All right.
Oh, boy.
All right.
I see you guys have a lot of time.
Yeah, exactly.
A lot of Photoshop.
Ashley, you surprised she got kicked off the jury?
I'd have tweeted that one out for sure.
Yeah.
You know, I am not surprised, and here's why. Not that it makes her less of a an impartial juror. It just derides the process. And I think if you're talking about a murder trial, you need to be, pardon the pun, dead serious. I'm also a little surprised this comes from a writer at Vanity Fair. I held Vanity Fair's writers to higher standards than that. So I am shocked that she was this trite about it. And yes, I do believe she should have been kicked off the jury. I also think she should have been brought back in for making the jokes later. What'd she say? Girl said judge.
Well, I'll read that in a second.
Judge said girl go to horny jail.
Yeah.
And that's not appropriate.
Yeah, but Chris, they could have just warned her and said, "Hey, just don't do this anymore."
Far be it for me to get in the way of young love. You can think it, you can talk about it in the jury room, and after the trial, ask the guy out for a drink or a cup of coffee, but it's inappropriate to tweet.
All right, and then this is what she apparently said after. She said, "OMG, well, it turns out if you post FBI man hot, you're a bad, horny citizen." And then in a reply to a follower, she said, "I'm ready to serve, just not the way they intended." I mean, she's actually very...
She gets points for being clever.
She's very funny.
I
have to say.
Guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to read her articles now.
Yeah.
This is great publicity for her.
Right?
But look,
are you surprised she got kicked off the case?
No, because it
They
shows
could
a
just
bias.
call her in. What bias? So she's be biased towards the hot guy? I guess.
She's going to listen to him and believe him more.
I guess that's right. I guess that's right. But, you know, I don't know. I just think...
I think it could have
You think she should have stayed on the jury?
No, you're right. Look, this is such a serious case that they couldn't have. If this wasn't something as serious as murder, they probably could have just called her in.
Right, and does it become an appellate issue later?
And doesn't it kind of go to her thinking as a juror? Do you want her on the jury?
All right. Ashley Banfield, Jesse Weber, and Chris Hansen, great panel. Appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Go to NewsNationNow.com to find NewsNation on your cable provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.